In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy stocks in Trade Republic. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to switch over to Wealth at the top left, and then when you're on the Wealth tab, you want to tap on Orders over here at the top. So below your total, you can see Saving Plans and then the Orders. So you want to tap on Orders here, and it's going to give you an option to basically choose your investment, and you can then select amount and then place the order. So you want to go to the bottom right and tap on Add. And when you're in here, you can then just go ahead and search for the stock you actually want to buy. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just going to do this with a random stock over here, just so you see how this works. But of course, do your own research before you actually take any action. Now, at the bottom, it says search. You can tap on that and you can just find the stock you want to purchase. So if I look for Tesla, for example, there we go. It's going to pop up. You can then just tap on that specific stock. It's going to show you the price movement and basically your chart and stuff like that. You can move around and see the prices and etc. And down here at the bottom, you can see the price alerts, key stats, stuff like that. So you can review that if you want to. And then if you actually want to buy that specific stock, you could go ahead and tap at the bottom right where it says buy, so the red button. And then in here, you'll be able to select how much you want to invest. So you have a few recommendations, but you could also tap those three dots. And if you do so, you'll be able to go ahead and type in your custom price. So as you can see here, it's going to tell you what the price is. So let's say I just want to invest 100 euros over here. I can just go ahead and tap on next over here. And then whenever you are actually ready, and if you agree with everything over here on the list, you can just go ahead and tap on buy at the bottom right. And that's how you actually buy stocks. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.